Cherry Ann Mendoza, 23 years old, King Tarlac City.
Wow!
Mas
Layo!
layo din. Layo ng dating mo. Pero she's our face of the game and she goes home na. Well, I don't wonder if that umabot mo sa bahay yan.
Ay, malamang hindi.
Hindi na.
Tayo nga kanina, parang nung nilapag yung pizza, parang pirana eh.
kunwari pa kayo ni Coach Mac, I just want a small piece. Shakey's Pizza talaga, nababaliw itong grupong to. 10-16. Valdez. Labas.
That was very close.
That is a smile. That doesn't show her frustration actually.
Pati si Maruba na Tikla, ganun din.
Lakas. Ang daming gasolina nun.
Oh, and medyo mababa kasi yung pagkakaset and hindi na niya nagkaroon ng spin. Hindi niya na napaltok.
Alam mo si Joanne Bunag, para siya si Patino doon sa isang team sa Air Force. Mga bungis-ngis girls. Ganda rin yung smile. Soltones. Shakey's. One family pieces gotta be Shakey's. They need some spark like here. Soltones, the San Sebastian player.
Gonzaga once again. Kilala rin niya. Marami rin napaikot-ikutan na guest player dahil magaling din. Pero ngayon,
stepping out talaga.
Yes.
Very clearly.
At doon pa sa mas mahirap kasi napakadaming superstars ngayon dito sa Philippine Army.
Ito mo si AJ, nalisto pa rin, no? Kaya pa rin itos, eh. Itos niya si quick niya.
Siya na pareho. Pwede rin.
Tina Salak. Ferrer.
Oh
boy, Charo. Captain play. Charo Soriano is yelling at her teammates. Torres skidding to the ground. She loves doing that. She does that so well. Running. Nagkagulo. Bautista. Pass mo.
And Banatigla using the blockers of the Philippine Army gets that point.
First point kasi ni Banatigla din eh. 13-18 rather. 13-18. Let's be clear. Cassini. Bautista, hulog-hulog.
Yun ang ginawa ni Bautista. Hindi niya na-prepare si Maruba na Tikla para dun sa open hit.
Soltones, De Leon, gingerly, no? Gingerly, inaalalayan niya yung lakad niya. She won't, I think she's going to do the Nene principle here.
Yes.
The Nene Chavez, she's the coach of the Navy, and her principle we learned on Friday, not to expend too much energy when you want to conserve long.
And this is what Ruby De Leon brings. Nung unang palo ni Nene Bautista, blankado siya ni Ruby De Leon. Kaya pangalawa, iniwas ni Nene, lumabas.
Torres. Balse.
King Balse. Ito, mabigat ang frontline ng Philippine Army. Kahit dalawa lamang, you have Carolina and Balse in front.
What makes Carolina special sa harap, aside from her experience, is she's not that tall, right?
Pero nakita mo naman ang flight nitong babaeng to. Kung pwede lang sa Air Force kasi ibang klase ang lipad. Ang nagiging diferensya, totoo na may sinabi niya, yung reception nila. Yun lang. Yun ang nagiging diferensya.
I think we've had some reception problems, but let's settle down. De Leon, Valdez. Pinaluan ng mga blocker. De Leon. Kay Alyssa uli.
Liza trying to go down the line. Pero halos sinip niya na lang yung bola na yun eh.
That's not a Valdez special, no? Yung down the line.
Kanya-kanyang forte sila. But si Alyssa naman, when you give it to her in yung gusto niyang set, she can actually go there.
Walang bugbog yun. De Leon.
Katulad nito.
Bunag, kakakagat siya. Puto.
2 beses na yan, ha? 2 beses na.
Isenyos ni Bunag. Puto yun.
Yum, yum.
And hello! I knew it. Mag-22-23. It's time for the Salak special.
Ayan bago ng rhythm.
Tangkad kasi. Hindi mo alam kailan gagawin, ano?
At saka yung angle, di ba? Where the ball is coming from. Ang hirap eh.
De Leon to Valdez. Nice move.
Tit for that. Ito naman, just a soft push coming from Valdez.
Love it when girls do facial expressions na ano.
Oh!
De Leon got that.
Leon with an ace.
Sabi ni Tina Sala kay Michelle, sa'yo yan. Hindi naman napunta, Torres. Pero siya niyang bibigyan. Yung pala yun. Nagkagulo na. Si Tina leader, ano? Alam niya yung hindi masyadong forceful, pero siya yung leader.
Tsaka makikita mo, yun nga yun, exactly, that point. Yung very calm, pero leader, hindi yung maraming sinasabi maingay. Ibang klase. Parang mafe-feel mo sa kanya, mabawiin ko to, sige lang.
Gagawa natin ng Soriano. Salak. Huli si Carolina. And Cassini is beside herself actually. Mukhang long, pero nakuha ni Torres. Carolina mixed hands. It's out. It'll go to the Army that now jumps into a 2-set-to-love lead, Mosey.
But let's see itong Smart. They have all the tools, partner, to get back into this game.
We'll slide into our Shakey's Shake and Play before we bring this second set officially to a close. Carolina, the recipient. Bang, bang, out! Back in a moment.